Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about my new alarm CTS 3. And I just wanted to show how it works and how I made the entries today. The trades, even though the trades didn't go very well, but yeah, the entries, you can see how to take the entries. Hopefully the market will move tonight in London session. So I can be, I'll be able to record some more good trades. So let me show you the video, and let me just do fast forward so you can see how it went. So here we go. All right. So this is what the heck. Oh, okay. That's the beginning of this video. Okay. See this alarm beeping here? All right. So USD franc, the alarm start beeping, and this is where I made the entry, right? And start making all the marks and everything, the writings, and so this is where the entry was right after the alarm beeping and a couple of blue candles, and I open the trade, and SL is placed right behind this low, right? So now let me just move forward a little bit. So what happened to this chart? And this energy went up, down, very slow. I mean, USD franc is just lousy trade, I think. But just wanted to show you the entry, and and it. See, this is still there, and then after a little while, what happened? Pound USD gave me the entry. Okay, so pound USD. Here is the pound USD. All right. So see, this is how pound USD went down after taking a short entry on this one. Then came the USD franc, and there was another USD-CAD entry. You see that? So this thing started to go up, long entry here, and then it went up, and then pound USD more coming down, and you can see now there was another one. Here is pound yen. See the long entry on pound yen. So all of these entries, the beauty about this is that when the alarm beeps in such a way that if you make the entry, you will go 15, 20 pip positive right after that, and you can move your SL to break even and then have a free trade. If your SL hit, you either don't lose anything or maybe like 5 pip, 10 pip here or there, right? But if the trade goes in your way, then it goes a long way. Like I posted earlier, that 130 pip, 100 plus, 130 plus pip USD yen, but the entry was on Friday, not today. Okay, so that was Friday entry, and it went all the way, today in the morning. When the market opens up, all yen pair went up, including the USD yen. I end up with 130 pip trade. So this one start to go up. You see that? And then this to break even all of a sudden, I have this program coding that after a certain pip, 25 pip, that the stop loss comes on the break even automatically. So this is where I end up the video. My couple of trades, like I think pound USD and USD-CAD came back and hit the SL and break even. Another one I lost like 5 pip, and this one is we went up, and I don't know how much, but not much. But the thing is that what I wanted to show is that entry is, as soon as you make the entry, you become positive. That's very important. And even if you go wrong, my SL is always here. So the most a person can lose is 25 pip if it hits the full SL, right? And like this one, for example, it goes to 25 pip, the SL move to break even, but that is not that function is not in that alarm, but you can do it manually, right? 25 pip, move your SL to break even, or maybe 5 pip risk or 10 pip risk, and that's it. But when it goes in your direction, then it goes to around 100 pip or 100, like USD yen 139 pip. Yesterday. Today I closed it today, actually. So this is how this alarm works. That's what I wanted to show. Now, another very cool thing that I want to show is that, let me see if I can, what the heck is this? This is video, okay. And then why it's not, okay, here. Let me just, now, okay, let me just put it down here. Come on, man. All right, here. So let me show you another thing. The very cool. I found it, and then remember the refreshing the chart. It is very bothersome to some people, right? So I found a solution. Actually, my son found the solution. And watch. This is the chart with 5 minute and 20 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute. I have like 15 pairs open here, right? So I wanted to refresh everything every now and then, right? Maybe every hour, 2 hour, whenever I come to the computer. But it is, like you sit there and then you do it one by one, all 5 minute chart, 15 of them, right? Okay. Now this thing, just watch. I'm gonna hit only one key on my keypad, right? My keyboard, and then watch what happens. Okay, here we go. You see that? It's all automatic. I'm not doing anything. I have my hands on my chest right now. It's doing automatically. All the 5 minute charts getting refreshed. Boom, boom, boom. This computer program is doing it. Right? You gotta set it up once, and then you leave it there for the rest of the day. And every now and then, whenever you come to the computer, hit just one key, and all done. See this? Within 1 minute, everything is refreshed automatically. Again, you come back, you go somewhere else, and come back, and then hit that one key. Boom, and then start doing it again. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Very cool thing, huh? Yeah, so thank you, my son. He did it. So hopefully in the next webinar, I will show you guys how to do that. Right? Look at it. It's fun to watch, huh? It's all doing automatic. It's like clicking software, So if you record, where to click, once you do it, record it, and then when you play that program, it just do the same thing, same clicking, same places. All right, so this is just I just wanted to show you guys, and hopefully I will show about this thing and explain, because it requires a little bit of explanation, where to get it, how to download it, and then how to set it up. Right, so maybe today's Monday, so Wednesday when I do the webinar, I'll mention in the webinar, I'll teach you guys. Right. All right, so this video probably I'm gonna do it public because of the CT3. So, but in the webinar, I'll show you how to use this technique. All right, so bye for now, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.